Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to enable transparency in Windows 11. So firstly click on start. Now here click on settings. Now guys, in this list you have to click on personalization. Now here click on colors. So here is option transparency effect. Windows and surfaces appear transparent. So to turn off, so guys, to turn on and to enable, just slide to on. So guys, as we can see now, this window in is in transparent mode. So very simple and easy guys, you can turn on transparency in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not. Please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.